Why you got skinny on? What you buy, a jerk?
Yeah, my better.
He ugly. Can you back the fuck up? Ugly. No big ass ain't no having, mom. You ugly.
Ranger.
Pull out your mirror. Take it out here.
This is not really what I. Hold on. This ain't really what I was wearing.
There's a polo.
I just threw it on. Hold up. Nigga, I got polo too. Stop playing with me. Hold up.